Hello, greetings and welcome. Alright, so it's been a little while since I've made a new video, so I thought it'd be time to do some updates. So this is about my teaching schedule for the next year or so. The next 4 months I'm in Kopangan, and the first 10 days of each month, starting on the first Monday, I'll be teaching Hermetics, Hermetic magic. So basically going through the initiation Hermetics text. 10 days, 10 mornings in a row, 4 hours a morning, and I'll do this for the first 10 days for each month up until June, July, August, teaching in Chiang Mai, and then September onwards, depending on people's interest, I'll be teaching here in Kopangan again or in Japan. So September through to the following January. Doing a 10-day workshop the first week of each month, September, possibly in Japan, and October onwards in Kopangan. And these workshops will all be on Hermetics, initiation to Hermetic magic. In February next year, we've got the Qigong courses again, and this is designed more for people who have trained with me. But people who haven't gone through the training are welcome to join in as well if they wish. A lot of the terminology you may get a little bit lost, but if you jump on the Vimeo course and get through at least the first half of that course before you come and train, you'll have a better feel for life force, a better feel for the energies, working with the astral body and so forth. And the terminology will be a lot more familiar, so you'll be able to follow along with the Hermetics. The Hermetics that I teach is based on my teacher, William Cook Edwards, and he basically taught Franz Barden's first book, Initiation, in the first year, and second year he went into Evocation Kabbalah. And he didn't repeat a class. Every lesson was different, and he left it up to the student to train. So some students got left behind and some kept up. But it was a very special environment because he got about half the class to be able to see the spiritual beings in the room while he was teaching. So you'd see the lords, the elements in the corners. You would see the big purple diva guys with the gold aura around them on to his left and right. And when he invoked spirits, they were very visible. So that was quite an interesting environment to learn in. So I follow in his footsteps and do my best to generate that type of atmosphere for my students. So now that I've semi-retired, my teaching schedule's dropped right down, and most of what I'll be teaching will be Hermetics. I feel that's the most valuable of the knowledge and skills that I've got, so I'll put most of my energy into that. And I'll make a Hermetics online training program as well to go into a lot more detail on Hermetic science. Okay, thank you for your time, and see you on the next video.